Cuba doesn't just look like the past. It sounds like it, feels like it, moves through its streets like it never left. In old Havana, candy-colored colonial buildings line cobblestone streets, where vintage convertibles still cruise past, their engines rebuilt a dozen times over by hands that refuse to let this city stop moving. Guarding the harbor since the 1500s, El Morro Castle is the Caribbean's largest fortress. Climb its ramparts at sunset and watch the light turn the stone gold as it has for 5 centuries. West of the capital, the Viñales Valley unfolds in limestone cliffs called mogotes, rising like green islands over fields of tobacco. Farmers still hand-roll cigars here, the way their grandfathers did. In Trinidad, time slows even further. Cobblestone streets, terracotta roofs, and pastel facades untouched since the sugar boom, with the rhythm of live song music drifting from every open doorway. And when it's time to slow down completely, Varadero's white sand and impossibly clear water make it one of the most beautiful beaches in the Caribbean. Cuba moves to its own rhythm. Come find yours. Subscribe, and let's keep exploring together.